Okay guys, so as promised, this week we are going to talk about solving multi-step equations. In the previous slides on the Nearpod, I asked you guys what would be your first step in solving this equation. Hopefully you remember from last week that whenever we see parentheses, that indicates that we need to distribute, and you should have distributed this 4 to the x and the 15, and you will get something that looks like this. Now we have an equation that has variables on both sides. In order for us to solve this, we have to get all of the variables to the left side of this equation. So that means the 4x's that we see here, we do not want them here. So we're going to get rid of them by subtracting 4x on both sides. When I do that, I will be left with something that looks like this. By combining the x's, this is where that minus 6x comes from, and then we just drop down the 60. Now that we've done that, we are left with a two-step equation. We need to get rid of the 12, and we need to get rid of the negative 6. We're going to start by getting rid of this 12. Again, if I have a 12, I do not want it there, so I'm going to subtract 12 by doing it on both sides to keep it balanced. I'm going to bring down that negative 6x, and this will give me 48. And then lastly, to get rid of this coefficient, we will divide both sides by negative 6, and we will be left with our answer, which is x is equal to negative 8.